Alright, what's going on, everybody? I just got my car back from the shop after 2 weeks of being gone. What happened was, I was at LAX airport on the 31st of May and the car broke down because of a severe overheating issue. But as you can see, it's now back. And of course it got dirty just after the dealership people washed it yesterday before I got it back. So, yeah. Alright, so anyway, my car now has a brand new engine to put into it. Sorry for my stuttering. Right. Oop, hold on a sec. Ow, this thing's hot. Yeah, it's hot today, so. Alright, you guys. Here it is. This is the brand new engine in the car. As you guys heard it on the beginning of the video, it sounds really good. This is a new replacement 3.5 liter V6. Oh, and not only did they put a new engine in it, they also put in a brand new battery in it as well, because the car hasn't been running in 2 weeks, so the battery went dead. So, yeah. Paid about over $7,000 for a new engine to the car, but you know what? It runs and drives great, and it was all worth it. No, I still haven't got the car repainted yet, but sometime next spring I'm gonna finally have it repainted, because as you can see, my back bumper is in really rough shape. It's gotten worse the last time I showed it to you. But other than that, car may be a little filthy right now, but the rest of the car is in really good shape. And I'll go ahead and show you the updates I've done over the past year. Oh. First of all, we're going to start the car back up and show you the engine while it starts up. Alright, let's put the camera down here. Oop. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just trying to figure out here. Okay, will this hold on? Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, you guys, the car is now running. As you can see, it sounds really nice, really good too. Okay, anyway, I was going to show you the things I've done to this car over the past year. As you can see, it's idling really good. Alright, over a year ago, this car originally had a single disc CD player, but I decided to replace it with a 6-disc version because I thought it was better than the other one. This radio actually originally came out of a 2004 Dodge Durango. It works really good. Here, sorry for my shaky hands. Sorry it's hot outside today.
Problem! Riverside Harley has phone. See the superstars of scare you perfect. When my head's up. And when a payment to the IMF, which Greece has admitted that it cannot afford, is due at the end of this month, which I'm missing that payment.
Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and turn off the car. There's still the surface sticker up on top of here. Oh, hold on a second. Let me close the window here. Oop. Alright. Okay, now the thing is, I'm not supposed to drive this thing on the freeway until I hit 300 miles. So, until then, I'll have to drive it on the streets just to make sure everything's not leaking and make sure everything's working good. So, other than that, $7,000 for a new engine, it was all worth it. It was really worth it.